Hannah.
I'm Brianna.
And this is an awkward show.
This is the Hannah Brianna show.
I'm pretty sure it's awkward.
Yeah, it's awkward too.
I never knew.
Everyone talks about it at school.
You see my paper? Take it a better look.
I think
She beats me up. Take this.
take that.
She just slapped me.
I did not slap.
Punched me.
Oh!
If this was Grand Theft Auto, I'd totally
Why are we
behind
hurting each other? This is like a
If this was totally on Grand Theft Auto, I'd totally be jacking your car.
You can't do. Oh!
Oh, you got me.
We doing this like I am to you.
I know.
Sup, Debbie's? No. Not a video. Hannah slapped me.
She slapped me. Anyway.
That was my cricket.
I think that's a grasshopper. This ain't school. I'm done
This
here,
is the
Brianna.
Hannah Brianna show.
I'm done here.
Oh crap.
Tinky chunga.
Ew.
What? I think it's more like a shake or like a body movement.
You know what you just said.
Yes, and I regret it. My hair's so messy where she slapped me. She abuses me. I'm a pucker fish.
You're like I'm Pokemon. Fuck.
Womp womp. See the sleepy? See the sleepy? It's getting hot in here. Ow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Well, it ain't my fault. You been sleeping in that recliner for the past week. You know why? You know why? Because sugar was aggravating me all day. I put my hand through these bars and all of a sudden I feel it not like someone biting and scratching in my hand. Where? Mom, I see his tail.